dedicate yourself to the service to humanity. Now this can be divided into two parts. First of all, feeding the hungry, providing clothing for those who don't have, who can't afford themselves. Then treating or providing medicines, medical care for those who are sick and ill, looking after the orphans and the widows and the needy, etc., etc. This level of public service, humanity, is common to all humanity. Hindus do it, Christians do it, Jews do it. All humans, all societies, they do it. It's actually a common heritage of the whole of humanity. But the service to humanity, which is peculiar to those who believe in the hereafter, who know that the real life is the life of hereafter. Now the public service for them is to call people to the path of Allah, to the right path, so that they are saved from the doom and from the fire of hell, which is going to be then eternal in the life hereafter.